Are you wondering what happens if your new computer from Amazon.com arrives damaged, defective, or simply doesn't meet your expectations? Here's everything you need to know about Amazon's return policy for computers before making a purchase. 30-day return window. Amazon allows you to return any new computer within 30 days of purchase if it arrives dead on arrival. DOA.it comes in damaged condition. It's still in unopened boxes. In these cases, you'll get a full refund with no hassle. Important conditions and fees. Amazon may test dead on arrival computers. If a customer misrepresents the condition, a 15% restocking fee applies. If a computer is returned with customer damage, missing parts, or tampering, Amazon may charge a higher restocking fee. After 30 days, Amazon will not accept returns for desktops or notebooks. Marketplace vendor purchases. If you buy from third-party sellers, marketplace vendors, your return is subject to the vendor's individual policy, not Amazon's standard return terms. Knowing Amazon's return and refund policy for laptops, desktops, and PCs helps you shop with confidence. Whether you're buying the latest gaming laptop, a MacBook, or a budget-friendly PC, understanding your consumer rights protects you from unexpected surprises.